Good morning everyone. Yan. Ngayong umaga pala guys. Yan. Ito. Si ate pala nag-ano ng magi guys para mag-umagahan kami. Balito di. Tapos yan. Listen. Yan. Ganito pala yung buhay dito guys sa hotel. Hotel ba tawag dito, di ba? Yan. Bali, hindi ko pala na-tour sa inyo kahapon guys yung yan. Tinulugan natin kahapon. Dito bali dito sila ate guys. Tapos yan. Bali dito yung ito may hagdan sila dito. Yan. Tapos dito tayo natulog guys, yan. Tapos dito yung pag nasundo na namin yung mama ni brother dito guys. Kasi nga ngayon yun dadating guys. Na-delay po kasi yung flight niya kahapon kaya yun ngayon na lang. Tapos dito may TV din guys, yan. Aircon. Yan. Tapos dyan yung CR nila guys. Sobrang ano, ganda niyan dyan. Isa lang may tawin dyan guys, yan. Diyan, may salamin din guys. Yun. Abangan natin guys yung mga mangyayari sa mamaya. Pag punta natin. Paglabas natin, papakita ko sa inyo kung anong meron dyan sa labas ng... Kung anong ganap sa labas ng hotel natin. Tapos yun pala guys, baka mo natin ng tubig. May free tubig pala dun sa ano. Sa may labas. Oh. Doon na rin pala ako ng sultan chinelas. Yan guys, papakita ko sa inyo dito sa labas pala. Wow. Sobrang ano guys, 6th floor lang kami dito, yan. Grabe, sobrang tataas ng building dito. Ganito pala yung itsura niya guys kapag umaga. Hindi kasi natin gaano nakita kahapon kasi gabi natin nakarating. Ayan, balik ko naman natin tubig. Parang hindi ko na natandaan guys yung room natin guys ah. Kaki. Buti ko hindi matandaan yung room. Yung room ba natin? Kala ko, hanap pa ng patuloy ako.
Kasi kung parang matagalan ka man. Kilala mo talaga yun.
From 0, upay pala kami ngayon nakalimutan ko. Bale, ito pa, luto natin tayo mabilis guys. Then dito pala guys sa may bintana nila. Ate guys dito sa may ano nila. Yan, tayo niyo yung view dito. Yun guys. Wow. Tapos yung sobrang tataas ang mga building dito. You know? Tapos dito may bago naman ginagawa. Then yan guys, andito na din sa
Service and delivery. And I was thinking, what's going on?
Tapos mamaya pala pauwi na kami dun sa ano sa hotel na pinunta namin. Hindi yun guys, after namin nasundo yan, kumain muna kami pala.
John and
Yeah.
Mark. has got extra egg, I believe. Look at his crispy.
Dito pala sa akin guys, ng kanila wala pa rin after na yan. Tapos yan, ng mami ni Brother Dylan guys.
Do you have an any of that one? Because you don't like pork, do you?
Tapos dito may mangga juice din.
These tomatoes. That's like an Italian sort of thing on it.
Then egg.
Oh, yeah.
Have you tried that?
I don't know, but I see that before.
Yeah. Fine.
Ano yan guys, makakain namin. Yan.
Sige.
The aesthetics.
Siggy, let's have one more look at yours before you demolish it then. Yeah.
Din yan guys, before namin magkain. Tapos bumalik kami ng hotel. Tapos ngayon dito, lakad naman kami guys. Dahil 4 na ngayon. Nakakasama ka. Hello!
And what are you doing for John Moore to do in the mall?
1,000 pounds. 1,000 pounds. So John Mark can treat himself.
And his family maybe to like a...
Little souvenir, little
Souvenir,
gift,
yeah.
little sweets for mum, dad, and buy yourself something nice.
Thank you!
Let's go.
Finally guys, nandito na din kami. Look. That. So, ayan, nandito na kami guys. Look at that! Ayan.
Brownies, donuts, cheesecakes, beautiful looking stuff like. Very nice.
Ayan, nandito yung mga soft drinks namin yan. Tapos ito guys, nakuha tayo shrimp, tapos pakwan, papaya, apple din, ito barbecue chicken din, ito chicken chicken adobo. Then yun guys, lumabas na pala kami, and then nandito na kami dito. Look at that.
My mom is actually going on too.
Then dito kami sa may harap na Conrad. Yan.
So it's gonna be really fun. Isn't it sweet?
So nice dito guys, yan ganito. Sobrang linis dito din. Dito may mga ano din sila. Like that.
We're taking precaution.
Yes, this is the bahay.
Yeah. Where's your camera?
You're dead.
Be careful.
What? Looking deal. Very good. Want to see the spinny thing?
pagtapos pala namin guys mag-press wheel din, yan, nandito na din kami sa Mall of Asia, nagpasyal kami dito, yan. Kasama ko yung dalawa kong brother-in-law. Sobrang ganda dito guys, wala sa probinsya nito. Dun sa munisipyo namin. Yan o. Yan guys, traffic dito yan ang mga kasama ko. Tapos yung press wheel nila sobrang laki yan. Yan, bali malayo pa yan tayo guys, sobrang laki niya yan. Then yun guys, nakabalik natin kami dito. Tapos bukas na pala yung uwi namin dito sa Palawan guys.
Leave all the water in here too.
Kaya yun guys, update ko na lang kayo guys bukas guys sa pag-uwi namin. Then yun guys, andito na din kami sa airport. Yan. Yung mga kasama ko, si ate, si brother. Yeah. Then ngayon, binigyan pala tayo ni ng mama ni Dilo ng 1,000 para pang pasalubong pambili natin, pasalubong para sa ating pamilya guys. Then yun, kaya antayin na lang natin. Dito guys, andito na kami sa airport din. Dito papili tayo dito ng natin. Pwede natin kainin dito. Look, like 46 or like ganun. Kasi nga nagmagi lang kami kana guys. Yan.
What food do you like?
Roasted.
Roasted chicken?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Roast-
same as us.
Same.
Yeah,
Roasted chicken sandwich.
Chicken for
Mango?
Yeah.
Mango? And what about ham?
yeah, 3 of those, and then 1 tuna sandwich, the chocolate coffee, the hot regular
Guys, naka-order na tayo. Thanks, Cindy.
2 mango sandwiches. Yeah, that's it. Right?
Number 1 po. Ay, wala kayong kasama, sir. May coffee pa po kayo, sir.
Ilan din? Apat?
Ito po yung black, dalawa lang po.
Ah.
Yung juice po nandun. Black coffee.
Ano lang po? There you go.
Oh, lovely. Yum, yum. Oh,
Meron bang yung yan?
Diyan daw sa loob. Dito daw.
What's yours, Mike?
black coffee. Yeah. Think of that Dylan?
Yes. The mimic movie.
Yeah, I'll let it cool.
Yes.
That's yours?
And yours?
We got all chicken, we got
Oh,
three the same.
So,
Well, it's hot.
but then it's done.
I know.
Including the food?
I know you want to log
Yeah.
I probably want it in the bag, did I decide? Yeah? Yeah, we put back in.
Tapos naman din complaint ko. Okay, it's that one.
And I wish you something to just bought me the water.
Okay na? Sa akin ko, ano ko yun? Mura lang po sa akin. Kasi doon kami nila lahat. Ha? Naghanap ng tubig na.
Sugar?
Or,
I've just meant sugar.
You look at me confused again. What's wrong?
We waited the night of the food so we could vlog
Oh,
this.
because I was trying to help my mother.
Because you were away for an hour.
Oh, right. Okay, so my mum has just sent me on the longest journey I've ever had to do around the entire airport just to try. And you know what? I'm on her score for some reason. I don't know why.
You're going to go, if you're going to go up and get me a bottle of water, do you know what?
It's
After
in
you help
there.
your, no, after you help your sandwich, you're going to go and get me a bottle of cold water. Thank you.
And that one is so
It'll
hard.
cool down. And
Oh no, no, it's not. It's not cold. I mean,
That's not like
it's not warm water. No, it's not like that. I should just say nothing in this situation. Anyway, right, since we've been away, the food has arrived anyway, so you've got a warm coffee as well, isn't it? You want the warm coffee, didn't you?
Yep.
Okay. That's good. Warm liquid's good for your body, isn't it? So, anyway, we've got a cold mango and John Mark, I suppose. So, let me see. Like a wee dancing dude. Is that like, that's why actually longer I've been around that 20k walk around the airport. I think maybe you can go like
I know I should have just asked you to get me a bottle of water at the sandwich place, shouldn't I?
maybe.
Just
Anyway,
say,
so
yeah.
sandwiches arrived. Let's say we wrap things. Right, I think we wrap stuff in here. So this is what we got. This like a chicken wrap, I believe.
it's like sweet.
Right. I don't need to crack your food. Alright, well, go ahead. I'm not holding you back anymore. Go ahead. Look, so. It's like a chicken tikka. It's like tikka. This one.
Oh, it's
It's like on the second mushroom soup. It's like chicken, actually. Salty.
nice. And it's got sugar.
That's fine. Yeah, like I'm just gonna shoot him out sort of thing. It's not the same.
All the same.
And John Mark, I think also has the same, like a chicken one.
Cheers. Thank you, Cindy.
Cheers, thank you, Cindy. And then also this one, I like that one too. Go and have a bite of that. Open it up. Oh, wow. It's good.
Like panini.
Good taste, like that. Notice?
Good na ako. Diyan na yun.
Dear guests, you have just landed at Puerto Princesa International Airport. We are pleased to inform you that we have landed 18 minutes ahead of schedule. For safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartments, and please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It is a pleasure having you on board and we look forward to serving you again soon. On behalf of AirAsia, Captain Phil Echensa, First Officer Ben Javier, and the rest of the crew members, we would like to say thank you for flying with us.
Saan yan? Doon?
Your guests are in the opening of the plane, negative using AirAsia International have a pleasant day. After the overflight, you can
Salamat po.
Ganyan guys, nauna na pala ako, inaantay ko na lang sila. Antay ko lang pala dito sila sa baba. Dito na kami sa airport ng Puerto. Sabi! Hindi pala pwedeng umantay doon guys. Saan sila Dylan? Okay, nantay niya ba yung mama niya? Bali ito pala guys, dala ko pala yung bag ng mama ni Dylan.
Pag kuminayo, pagbalik pa yung mama niya.
Mamaya bag ko yung naiwan doon. Di pala pwede tumambay doon guys. Kaya yun, nauna na kami dito. Tapos yun pala guys, nakalimutan ni Brother Dilo yung bag yan. Nabalikan niya natin. Din yun nga pala guys, sa kasamang pala naiwan yung ano natin, cellphone sa plane. Then ngayon is magbibili muna tayo ng hopya. Magkano po sa hopya? Iba-iba po ang price nito. Iba-iba yung price niya. Dito po magkano po?
150 po.
150. Isa niyan then
May plastic.
ano ba ito? Australias.
Uli pastilya.
Tapos dito magkano po sa munggo?
150.
Dalawa lang po yan po. Isa niyan po dito.
Hindi ako bariya. 65 lang.
Eh magkano sa apple nyo te?
100.
Ito kuha na lang ako ng isa nito.
Bawasan pa 100. Kasi nga ako ng isa pang
Ito po.